Hello, Oma. Let's go. I heard a knock at the door. What is it? Oh my gosh. Come look. It's a little elephant. Oh, look at him. It's a cute little elephant, Oma. Oh, it's an elephant. Hello, little elephant. I'm gonna raise you. I think I'm gonna call him Jerry. Come on, Jerry. You need your breakfast. Oh, Jerry. I love you. All done? All done? Good boy. Come on, Oma. I think it's night-night for you. Is it night-night? It is night-night. Look at Jerry's little tail. Oh, you don't like that? Okay. Come on. Oh, Jerry. Oh, good night. Look at him, Oma. He's so happy. Look at him. Oh. What, Jerry? What? You want to say hi to Oma? Hug him. He's really demotic looking, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Look at those eyes. I don't know. Good night, Jerry. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Come on, Oma. Ladies first. Goodbye, Jerry. I'm gonna kill Alex.
Alex?
Yeah?
It's Jerry.
What? Oh my gosh. Hey, Jerry. I thought I put you to bed. What? Oh! Oma, get the knife! Go get the knife! Oma, get the knife!
Alex.
Get it now! What do you want? What do you want? I knew the devil sent this. I knew you were a demonic animal. Get the knife! Yeah.
We will send him out for adoption, Alex.
Oh, he's gone. I don't know where he went. He's gone. Jerry. You did this. Turn up the heat. He's burning. He's burning. La la. La. This is what I'm gonna do to your babies. Let's take them this way. I'm sorry, Jerry. It won't work out. You demonic piece of crap. Well, we can set him up for adoption. Goodbye, Jerry. And goodbye, hell. Well, what a weird day, right? What a weird day. Well, I'm going to bed. Good night, guys. Dun dun dun.